So in today's exercise, we're going to be doing a quadruped rock. So if you're a current patient of ours, you've probably done this in office. We like to use it actually as a test during our new patient exams here. So you can use this at home kind of as a little bit of a test for yourself, as well as an exercise to kind of train the muscles in and around your shoulder blade here. Okay, so what you'll do is come onto your hands and knees. Think knees under hips and hands under shoulders here. So when you're loading at your hands, I want you to think of your hand in like a U pattern here and kind of loading all of that equally. Okay, so pushing down into your hands here and then knees into the ground. You're gonna have your arms nice and straight, okay? And I want you to think about pulling the middle part of your spine and driving it up towards the ceiling to kind of flatten your back. If you don't have that position, you're gonna kind of sink down and you'll almost have winging of your shoulder blades, and that's what we don't want. We want that to be nice and flat. Okay, so from here, you can shift back. So again, driving up towards the ceiling, okay, breathing into your belly, tucking your chin, making yourself have the tallest spine possible. Already you should feel some activation kind of in and around your shoulder and shoulder blades here. You're gonna shift back nice and slow, bringing your hips to your heels, okay, keeping those arms nice and straight and keeping that flatness in that mid back. Okay, whenever you're ready here, you can shift back up to that neutral position. Again, just kind of checking yourself here, making sure you're pushing, nice flat back, and no winging of the scapula here. Then what you're gonna do, keep your arms nice and straight. You're just gonna lean forward, okay? Gaze is kind of going in front of your fingertips here. Lean forward, keeping those shoulder blades nice and flat. As soon as you start to feel yourself kind of sinking down or winging, that's your stopping point. Okay, so you're gonna go as far as that, and then you're gonna shoot back, pausing in neutral, and coming back down behind you. Okay, so this, again, is a good one to kind of test and see where you're at. You should feel some activation up in here. You shouldn't really feel your traps up here turning off. It should kind of all kind of be focused, kind of the middle part of your shoulder blades here into below. Okay, so give that a try and ask us if you have any questions.